In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform into your WordPress website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video because it really helps out the channel. Integrating Typeform with your WordPress site can enhance user experience significantly. Typeform is a powerful tool for creating surveys and forms that are visually appealing and easy to use. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this integration happen smoothly. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, it's super easy to create. Just head over to zapier.com and follow the prompts to get an account set up. You'll see a familiar interface once you're logged in. This is where all the magic begins. Next, click on the Create button, which is usually located on the top right corner of your dashboard. This action will set you on the path to building your own automation, which is often referred to as a Zap. Once you're set up to create a new Zap, you'll click on the Zaps tab on the left-hand side. Here, you can manage your Zaps with ease, tracking their progress and making any adjustments as needed. Now it's time to dive into the specifics. Click on Trigger to begin. This is the step that kicks off your Zap. You're essentially telling Zapier to listen for an event that you want to use as a trigger for the next action. Now, let's search for Typeform. In the search bar, just type Typeform and select it from the list that appears. Typeform will serve as the trigger for your automation, meaning that any new entries submitted through your Typeform will prompt the next action that you define within the Zap. When you click on Typeform, you'll be prompted to choose an event. For our purpose, select New Entry. This essentially means that every time someone fills out your Typeform, Zapier will be on alert and ready to respond accordingly. After this, you'll have to specify the action to take place in response to the trigger. So click on the Action button. This is where we tell Zapier what we want to happen when a new Typeform entry is made. Type in WordPress in the search bar, just like we did with Typeform. This step allows Zapier to connect your Typeform to your WordPress site, setting the stage for all the great things to come. Once you select WordPress, you need to choose another event. Here you'll select Create Post. This instructs Zapier to create a new post in WordPress whenever there is a new entry in your Typeform. Now, you're set to connect your Typeform entries to WordPress posts. Zapier will walk you through connecting your accounts, requiring you to log into both Typeform and WordPress to establish that link. Just follow the prompts given by Zapier. They will guide you through setting up the connection securely. After connecting both accounts, you'll be asked to customize the particular details of the WordPress post that will be created from the Typeform entry. This could include things like the post title, content, and other post settings. Think about how you'd like to format this information. It can be dynamic based on what users fill out on your Typeform. Once everything is configured to your liking, take a moment to review your settings on both Typeform and WordPress through Zapier. If everything looks good, just hit the Turn On Zap button. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Typeform into your WordPress website. Each time someone submits a response on your Typeform, a new post will automatically be created on your WordPress site with their answers. This is a great way to make your site more dynamic and engaged with your audience. So what did you think? Pretty straightforward, right? If you liked this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Thank you for tuning in, and happy integrating.